Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It is November 9th when I'm recording this, and I wanted to kind of show you guys something that, of course, I think some of you know it out there. It's kind of funny. Anytime Jim Cramer talks about a stock, it's kind of like the opposite, and it's going down. But yeah, Cramer came out and was talking about SOFI the other day, so I retweeted it, and I did find this interesting. There were some insiders that were selling, so let's go take a look at it and see how it's doing. You come over here, and yeah, not doing so well, huh? Yeah, not doing so well. But, I was looking at this. I don't like to trade earnings, so I have to wait till after earnings. There have been a fair number of stocks that have been moving up significantly on earnings. At that point, I really just have to wait for them to calm down. Something like this, because that's the problem, is we don't know if something is going to sustain. And so what I look for is the pullback. And in this case, the pullback has not been working. There has not been a new setup in this. You can see it continues to just move down even on the lower time frames. The Moxie indicator, even on the 15-minute time frame, is still below zero. So there's just nothing to do here. Now, maybe eventually this will set up. Maybe this will be a double bottom. Maybe we'll get some positive divergence. But we're going to have to wait and see if that happens. But it is interesting to see Cramer comes out, says something about SOFI, insiders are selling, and yeah, not doing well. So we kind of look at that. We can also say, hey, what about the overall market? We're looking at the IWM. And I'm happy that we are getting a pullback. That's what I want to see, because I can't just go buy a move up like that. And we're seeing a fair amount of individual stocks doing the same thing that shot up over the last week or so, basically earnings and then FOMC from last week. And that is just not an appropriate place to buy because of situations like this. You can see price then moving back down. So that's kind of what we're doing, is we're just waiting for these pullbacks. We're waiting for the market to pull back. We're looking for the SPY to kind of do that. We're going to see. It's doing a pretty good job hanging up there, but it's still just not the greatest place to initiate. I mean, if you bought on the second day after the FOMC, which is right there, you're really not making any money. In fact, you are pretty much right where you left off. And so, yeah, haven't made any moves in that way. So that's why you just kind of let it go, wait, be patient, don't have any FOMO. You can still see this thing is really gapping off these moving averages quite a bit. So we just got to wait, got to hang on and wait for a better opportunity. Hopefully there's a dip that's coming in here, and hopefully that dip is eventually bullish. But if it's not, just like the IWM, we will watch and see it just continue to move down. We have to wait for price to actually start moving back up. I'm hopeful. I'd like to, but we still just have to be patient for that. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy that, and we'll see you later over the weekend. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.